Creating and charging a magical talisman or amulet is a powerful way to infuse an object with your intention and energy for a specific purpose. A talisman is generally used to attract positive energy or desired outcomes, while an amulet is intended for protection or warding off negative influences. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and charge your own magical talisman or amulet. Set your intention. Determine the purpose and intention for your talisman or amulet. Clearly define what you want to achieve or the energy you wish to invoke. This could be anything from love and abundance to protection or enhanced intuition. Select your object. Choose a physical object that resonates with you and aligns with your intention. This could be a crystal, a piece of jewelry, a small figurine, a stone, or any item that holds personal significance or symbolism for you. Ensure that the object is cleansed and energetically cleared before use. Cleanse and purify. Purify the object to remove any existing energies or imprints. You can do this by passing it through incense smoke, sprinkling it with salt water, or placing it under running water. Visualize the object being cleansed and cleared of any unwanted energy. Personalize and empower. Make the object your own by personalizing it. This could involve carving symbols, inscribing sigils, or attaching charms or gemstones that align with your intention. Focus on infusing the object with your energy and intention as you do this. You can also anoint the object with oils or infuse it with herbs that correspond to your purpose. Charge with energy. Hold the object in your hands and close your eyes. Enter a meditative state and visualize the object being filled with radiant energy that aligns with your intention. Imagine the object glowing with the desired qualities and energy. Repeat affirmations or incantations that reinforce your intention. Ritual of activation. Perform a ritual or ceremony to activate and charge the talisman or amulet. This could involve lighting candles, saying prayers, calling upon specific deities or spirit guides, or performing a specific ritualistic action. Use your intuition and creativity to design a ritual that feels authentic to you. Personal connection. Create a personal bond with your talisman or amulet. Wear it close to your body, keep it in a special pouch, or place it on your altar when not in use. Develop a regular practice of holding, wearing, or meditating with the object to strengthen your connection and reinforce your intention. Renewal and maintenance. Regularly cleanse and recharge your talisman or amulet to maintain its potency. This can be done through methods like smudging, moonlight or sunlight exposure, burying it in earth, or using specific cleansing rituals. Symbolism and correspondences. Choose symbols, colors, and materials that correspond to your intention. Research and explore the meanings and associations of different symbols and elements in various traditions and cultures. For example, if your intention is protection, you might choose a talisman with a symbol of a shield or a stone associated with protective energies, such as black tourmaline or obsidian. Sacred space. Create a sacred space or altar specifically dedicated to charging and energizing your talismans or amulets. This space can be adorned with relevant symbols, candles, crystals, and other sacred objects that resonate with your intention. Use this space to perform rituals, meditate, and connect with the energies of your talismans. Elemental energies. Consider incorporating the elemental energies into your charging process. You can place your talisman or amulet on an altar outside under the moonlight to infuse it with the energies of the elements. For example, you might place it on a bed of earth, representing the element of earth, pass it through incense smoke, representing the element of air, hold it over a flame, representing the element of fire, or sprinkle it with water, representing the element of water. Planetary alignments. Work with planetary energies to enhance the power of your talisman or amulet. Research the planetary correspondences and choose a specific time or day that aligns with the planetary energy related to your intention. For example, if you're creating a talisman for abundance, you might charge it during a Venus hour on a Friday, as Venus is associated with love and abundance. Moon phases. Utilize the energies of the moon phases to charge your talisman or amulet. Each phase of the moon carries unique qualities that can support different intentions. For example, you might charge your talisman during the waxing moon to attract positive energies and intentions, or during the full moon to amplify its power. Personal empowerment ritual. Design a personal ritual to empower your talisman or amulet. This ritual can involve meditation, visualization, affirmations, and energy work. Hold the talisman in your hands, close your eyes, and focus on your intention. Visualize the energy flowing from your heart or energy center into the talisman, infusing it with your desired qualities. Speak affirmations or prayers that reinforce your intention and personal power. Dedication ceremony. Conduct a dedication ceremony to solidify your connection with the talisman or amulet. This can be a private ceremony or one involving friends or loved ones who support your magical practice. Light candles, say words of dedication, and imbue the talisman with your energy and intention. This ceremony serves as a commitment to working with the talisman and honoring its power. Active engagement: engage with your talisman or amulet regularly to strengthen its energy and connection with you. Wear it, hold it, or meditate with it, allowing yourself to be open to its influence and the energy it holds. Listen to your intuition and follow any guidance or messages that may come through your interactions with the talisman. Remember, the process of creating and charging a talisman or amulet is a deeply personal and intuitive practice. Trust your instincts, work with what resonates with you, and adapt these suggestions to align with your own beliefs and practices. As you explore and deepen your relationship with your talisman or amulet, you will discover the unique ways in which it supports and empowers your spiritual journey.